Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need whole milk, granulated sugar, fresh egg yolks, and a touch of vanilla extract for flavor. It's important to have all your ingredients at room temperature before you begin, as this helps them combine smoothly. Also, choose a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan to ensure even heating and prevent any scorching. Next, we'll prepare our egg mixture. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and sugar until the mixture becomes pale and creamy. Meanwhile, gently heat your milk in the saucepan until it's just about to simmer, but don't let it boil. Now, for the crucial step of tempering, slowly pour the hot milk into the egg mixture in a thin stream, whisking continuously to prevent the eggs from scrambling. Now it's time to cook our custard to perfection. Pour the tempered mixture back into your saucepan and place it over medium-low heat. Stir constantly with a wooden spoon or a heat-resistant spatula, making sure to scrape the bottom and sides. Continue cooking until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon or reaches an internal temperature of 175 degrees F. Be patient and don't let it boil. Once your custard is cooked, immediately strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step ensures a silky smooth texture, removing any small bits of cooked egg. Now is the perfect time to stir in your vanilla extract or any other desired flavorings. To prevent a skin from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm custard. Finally, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.